Welcome to another Women and a Series, which is the Tobo Sigwe Ezikolomuo. Today I want to discuss upgrading your Agwu. Agwu is the fountainhead. Agwu is originality. One possessed by Agwu cannot be a copycat. Agwu fine-tunes and brings clarity. It provides answers to what eludes the ordinary mind. Agwu disimili. If your Agwu does not bet original thoughts, then you have to upgrade its operating system. Many Agwu operating today in Igbo are operating on analog system. They are stuck in the past. This is why many Igbo Dibias are building hotels instead of university or research labs. It shows their Agwu is not thinking forward on how to bet original ideas. A true and upgraded Agwu must bet original ideas and make moves that will push its society, community forward. One who is truly possessed by Agwu drinks from the clearest source of originality, from the clearest source of creativity. Creativity bets innovation. Look around you. Where is the proof of the modern day practitioners and possessors of Agwu? Where is the proof? Their Agwu is in analog stage. It is in 15th century, whereas the world is already in the 21st century. Now, one may ask, how can I upgrade my Agwu? How do you upgrade your Agwu? Number one, meditation. You must spend quality time alone, meditating with your Agwu. You must spend time meditating with your Agwu inside your temple, inside your Agwu. Onye alụrụ Agwu must be meditating for hours inside your word temple. You must see yourself as a researcher. You must close yourself, only you, separate yourself, meditating. Number two, reading and researching. A modern day possessor of Agwu must be a pursuer of knowledge. You must also know how others are doing things currently. It's not just about how it was done in the past. You must know things, you must research about how things are being done now by other cultures, by other people. Because Agwu is a universal phenomenon. Agwu is not limited to an Igbo, to Igbos. It takes different forms in other cultures. So you must learn from other possessors of Agwu in other cultures. You must research, you must read. You must be up to date with the latest inventions of the world. Number three, on how to upgrade your Agwu. Less is more. A true Onye is not a materialist. A materialist is one that is possessed with worldly acquisition. If you say that you're a possessor of Agwu and you are pursuing material things, you cannot upgrade your Agwu. Your Agwu will be stuck on this gross material, world. It is only when you are less interested in the things of the world, that is when you sharpen your Agwu. Someone who is in the flesh, who resides in the flesh, cannot tap into the sharpness of the spirit. Because once you want to get into the spirit, into the psychic, you must do what? Subdue the flesh. So to upgrade Agwu, you must do what? Practice less fun, less money, less food. Less is more. Onye cannot upgrade his or her Agwu. Someone who is interested in money, pursuing money, cannot upgrade his or her Agwu, cannot subdue the flesh. Someone who is interested in fun cannot upgrade his or her Agwu. They will be operating in what I call analog Agwu. When you upgrade your Agwu, it will bet original ideas and results. The proof of the existence of Agwu is originality. Upgrade your Agwu. Alụọlụ Agwu, it is your duty to upgrade it. Many Agwu in Ana Igbo today, 98 or 95% of the Agwu in Ana Igbo today, or ndị Igbo si na fa na-eme Agwu, their Agwu is in analog stage. Upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen, or my email address, or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.